Unit 5 is tomato. Tomato Solanum lycopersicum. Lycopersicon esculentatum. Damping off of tomato, first is damping off, that is caused by Pythium aphanidermatum fungi, occurs in two stages or phases: pre-emergence phase and post-emergence phase. Pre-emergence phase, seedlings are killed just before they reach to the soil. Young radicle and plumule are killed. Complete rotting of seedlings. Post-emergence phase, infection of young and juvenile tissues of collar region at the ground level. So two types of phases are found in the damping up of tomato: pre-emergence phase and post-emergence phase. Epidemiology: high humidity, high soil moisture, low temperature that is less than 24 degrees Celsius, crowded seedlings, poor drainage. Management: cultural, use raised seedbed, chemical drench with copper oxychloride at the rate 0.2% or Bodox mixture at the rate 1%. Seed treatment with Trichoderma viridi at the rate 3 gram per kg of seeds or with Thiram at the rate 2 gram per kg of seeds. Spray metalaxyl at the rate 0.2% in case of or when there is cloudy weather. So in case of cloudy weather, which type of fungicide you have to use? Metalaxyl. Early blight of tomato. Powdery mildew. Damping off of tomato is caused by Pythium aphanidermatum. Then early blight of tomato, common disease of tomato, is caused by Alternaria solani. Can be occurred at any crop growth stage. Symptoms mainly on the foliage. First symptom were observed as small black lesions or spots, mostly on the older foliage. These spots enlarge and become 1/4 of inch in diameter or larger. Concentric rings in a bull's eye pattern in the center of the diseased area. So early blight of tomato is caused by Alternaria solani. Symptoms mainly on the foliage, older foliage. Spots, concentric rings in the form of bull's eye pattern in the center of the diseased area. Bull's eye pattern, concentric rings. The spots or lesions are 1/4 inch of diameter. Management: cultural management, removal and destruction of crop debris, crop rotation, chemical spray mancozeb at the rate 0.2%. Which type of fungicide is used for the early blight of tomato? This mancozeb. Late blight of tomato is caused by Phytophthora infestans. Phytophthora infestans symptoms ultimately rotting of leaves and fruits. Symptoms on leaves on two portions: tips and margins of leaves. On the lower surface of leaves, tips and margins of leaves, pale green irregular spots. The spots enlarge rapidly in the moist weather. Central tissue becomes dark brown or black, necrosis of the central tissue. On the lower surface of leaves, white downy growth of fungus around the dead areas. On the fruits, dark olivaceous greasy spots gradually cover entire fruit surface. Ultimately rotting of leaves and fruits. So symptoms on leaves on two portions: tips and margins of leaves and lower surface of leaves. On the lower surface of leaves, white downy growth of fungus. White downy growth of fungus, and fruits, dark olivaceous greasy spots. Rotting of leaves and fruits. Management: cultural, collect and destroy infected fruits regularly. Follow crop rotation but avoid solanaceous crops to be rotated in crop rotation with tomato. Solanaceous crops like potato. Chemical spray metalaxyl plus mancozeb at the rate 0.25%, then spray only mancozeb at the rate 0.25% at critical stage of disease appearance. So which type of crops you don't have to use or don't have to be rotated with tomato seedlings? Solanaceous crops like potato. So late blight of tomato is caused by Phytophthora infestans. Septoria leaf spot. Septoria leaf spot is caused by Septoria lycopersicum. Can be occurred at any crop growth stage. Symptoms on leaves: numerous grey circular leaf spots with dark border. Etiology is Pycnidia. Pycnidia black, glistening, light size is pinhead present in the center of spots. Septoria leaf spot is caused by Septoria lycopersicum. Can be occurred at any crop growth stage. Symptoms on the leaves: numerous grey circular leaf spots with the dark border. Etiology is Pycnidia. Pycnidia is black, glistening, size is pinhead size Pycnidia. Present in the center of spots. Management: cultural removal and destruction of affected plant parts. Chemical seed treatment with Thiram or Dithen M45 at the rate 2 gram per kg of seeds. Spray mancozeb at the rate 0.2%. Leaf curl of Tomato is caused by TLCV or tomato leaf curl virus that is transmitted by white fly Bemisia tabaci. Mosaic TMV, tobacco mosaic virus transmitted by aphids Myzas persicii. So two types of viruses are there. First is leaf curl virus. Tomato leaf curl virus is transmitted by white fly that is Bemisia tabaci, and tomato mosaic virus transmitted by aphids Myzas persicii. Tomato spotted wilt by tomato spotted wilt virus transmitted by 3 species of thrips. Thrips tabaci, Franklinielia squilzi and Franklinielia occidentalis. Symptoms: stunting. Most common symptom is stunting. Tomato spotted wilt by TSWV. Tomato spotted wilt virus is transmitted by 3 species of thrips. Thrips tabaci, Franklinielia squilzi and Franklinielia occidentalis. Symptom is stunting. Most common symptom is stunting. Symptoms on leaves: chlorotic and necrotic rings on the leaves, thickening of veins, bronzing of young leaves. On fruits: pale red or yellow areas with concentric circular markings in the normal red skin of the ripe tomatoes. On seeds: discoloration of seeds. So what is the common symptom? This is stunting, and symptoms on leaves, fruits and seeds. Then management is cultural management, removal and destruction of affected plants. Raise barrier crops of 5 to 6 rows around the field before planting of tomatoes. Which type of barrier crops are used? Sorghum, maize and bajra. Chemical spray imidacloprid at the rate 0.05% or any systemic fungicides to control the vector thrips. So to control the vector thrips, which type of fungicides generally used? We use the systemic fungicides like imidacloprid. And which type of barrier crops are used to control the tomato spotted wilt virus? Barrier crops of 5 to 6 rows of barrier crops around the field. Barrier crops like sorghum, maize and bajra. So leaf curl virus of tomato leaf curl virus is transmitted by white fly Bemisia tabaci. Tomato mosaic virus is transmitted by aphids Myzas persicii, and tomato spotted wilt virus is transmitted by 3 species of thrips: Thrips tabaci, Franklinielia squilzi and Franklinielia occidentalis.